Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to disable the Remember Password feature in MI Browser on your phone. This is important if you want to keep your accounts more secure and prevent the browser. First, unlock your phone and open the MI Browser. Next, look toward the bottom right side and tap on the profile icon. Then, observe at the top right corner where you will find the settings icon. Tap it to open the full list of options. After that, scroll down the settings menu until you find the Privacy and Security section. Next, find the option that says Remember Password and turn it off. Then, a confirmation message will appear, asking if you want to turn it off anyway. Tap on Turn Off Anyway to confirm your choice. Finally, you have successfully disabled the Remember Password feature. Your browser will no longer save passwords automatically, giving you more control over your accounts and improving security. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.